Good afternoon, Ma'am Mirna. I'm Raymond T. Sandoval and I'm here to present the given problem given to Group 5. So, the given problem given to us is series parallel circuit or a combination of parallel and series circuit. So, in this diagram, as you can see, the voltage is 30 volts and there are 4 resistors. The first resistor or R1 is 15 kilo ohms. The second resistor is 700 ohms. R3 is 4 kilo ohms and R4 is 1 kilo ohms. As you can see, R1, R3, and R4 are all parallel circuits while R2 is in series circuits. So, we are going to get all the currents and all the voltages in resistor 1, resistor 2, resistor 3, and resistor 4. Also, we are going to get the total current and the total resistor of this diagram. So, the first step is get the total resistance. Sinasabi nga po dito na yung circuit nga po natin is combination of series circuit and parallel circuit. So, hindi po natin sila pwedeng pagsama-samahin para makuha natin yung total resistor. So, the first one is to get the combination of the resistor of R3 and R4, which is 4 kilo ohms and 1 kilo ohms. So, the formula to get the resistor 3 and resistor 4 combination is R34 is equal to 1 all over 1 over R3 plus 1 over R4. So, yung ganito pong formula, yung itinuro nyo po is yung mother formula. Na, pag kinuha pa po natin yung easiest way, magiging 1 over R4 plus R3 over R3 times R4, which is equal to R3 times R4 divided by R4 plus R3. Nakuha po natin yung pinaka-formula dahil reciprocal po neto ito. So, R3 is equal to 4 kilo ohms and R4 is equal to 1 kilo ohms. Our final formula is R34 is equal to 4 kilo ohms multiplied to 1 kilo ohms divided by 1 kilo ohms plus 4 kilo ohms. So, 4 over 5 is equal to 0.8 kilo ohms or equal din po siya sa 800 ohms. So, nakuha na po natin yung R34. Pwede na po tayong mag-proceed sa problem na which is yung R2 po natin na series circuit sa R3. Alam naman po natin na pag kinuha po natin ang series circuit, ipagpa-plus lang po natin ang dalawang resistor. R234 is equal to R2 plus R34. R2 is equal to 700 ohms and R34 is equal to 0.8 kilo ohms or 800 kilo ohms. 0.7 kilo ohms plus 0.8 kilo ohms is equal to 1.5 kilo ohms. So, meron na po tayong R234. And last one, para po makuha natin ang total resistance o R1234, ang formula po na gagamitin po uli natin ay formula ng parallel circuit at ang mother formula which is R total is equal to 1 over R1 plus 1 over R234 o gagamitin po nating pinaka-formula is R1 multiplied to R234 over R234 plus R1. Then pag nakuha na po natin yung formula, ilagay lang po natin yung mga values nila. R1, 15 kilo ohms times 1.5 kilo ohms all over 1.5 kilo ohms plus 15 kilo ohms, which give us 22.5 divided by 16.5, na makukuha po nating total resistance is 1.364 kilo ohms. Dito po, nakuha na po natin yung total voltage na 30 volts and total resistance of 1.364 kilo ohms. So, pwede na po nating makuha ang total current. Ang given po natin is 30 volts and total resistance of 1.364 kilo ohms. So, makukuha na po natin ang total current, which is a formula of total current is equal to total voltage over total resistor. So, solution, total current is equal to 30 volts over 1.364 kilo ohms, or is equal din po siya sa 1,363.64 ohms. So, 30 volts divided by 1,363.64 ohms is equal to 0.022 amperes or 22 milliamperes. Pag kinonvert po natin siya sa milliamperes. Nakuha na po natin yung total current natin. Ang next naman po is, kukunin po natin ang current sa bawat resistor. So, ang I1 is equal to V1 over R1. So, 30 volts is equal to 15 kilo ohms is equal to 2 milliamperes or 0.002 amperes. Ginamit po natin yung 30 volts dahil parallel circuit lang po siya. At yung R1 po natin is 15 kilo ohms. So, ito na po, 0.02 amperes ang I1 po natin o ang current po natin sa unang resistor. Sa I2 naman po, dahil sa I2 naman po, may halo na pong series circuit. Kaya po, ang ginawa po natin, kukunin po natin muna yung mga voltages, which is V1 is equal to VT is equal to V234. So, yung V1 po natin, which is parallel sa total voltage po natin, kaya parehas po silang 30 volts. At yung V234 din po is parallel din po siya, kaya naging 30 volts. So, yung V234 po natin, may halo na po siyang series circuit. Kaya ang gagawin po natin is, ipaghihiwalay po natin sila para po makuha po natin yung mga currents natin. So, kunin po muna natin yung V2 or yung voltage sa pangalawang resistor. Sa formula na R2 is equal to R2 plus R34 multiply to total voltage. Ito po yung formula po na itinuro nyo. So, ilalagay lang po natin yung 700 ohms divided by 700 ohms plus 800 ohms na resistor na value ng R34, multiply natin sa 30 volts, which is our total voltage. So, 700 ohms divided by 700 ohms plus 800 ohms multiplied to 30 volts is equal to 14 volts. So, meron na po tayong 14 volts sa ating V2. Makukuha na po natin ang I2 o ang current sa pangalawang resistor, which is, gagamitin din po nating formula is V2 divided by R2 is equal to 14 volts ng V2 divided by the value of resistor 2, which is 700 ohms na naka-series, is equal to 0.02 amperes. Then, makukuha po natin ang V3 at saka V4 na nakaparallel at may halong resistor sa formula na V234 minus V2. Ang value po ng ating V234 is 30 volts at ang value po ng ating V2 is 14 volts. So, 30 volts minus 14 volts is equal to 16 volts. So, meron na po tayong value ng V3 and V4. Makukuha na po natin ang value ng ating I3 at ang I4. Sa formula na I3 is equal to V3 divided by R3 is equal to 16 volts divided by 4 kilo ohms, which is makakakuha tayo ng 4 milliamperes or 0.004 amperes. Then, ang ating I4 is equal to B4 divided by R4 is equal to 16 volts divided by 1 kilo ohms is equal to 16 milliamperes or 0.016 amperes. So, nakuha na po natin ang lahat ng hinahanap, ang ating mga resistors, voltages drop, and currents. So, R1 is equal to 15 kilo ohms or 15,000 ohms. R2 is equal to 700 ohms. R3 is equal to 4 kilo ohms or 4,000 ohms. And R4 is equal to 1 kilo ohms or 1,000 ohms. And our total resistance is 1.36363 kilo ohms or 1,363.64 ohms. And our voltages are in V1 is equal to 30 volts, V2 is equal to 14 volts, V3 is equal to 16 volts, B4 is equal to 16 volts. And our total voltage is 30 volts. And the last one is the currents. Our I1 is equal to 2 milliamperes or 0.002 amperes. I2 is equal to 0.02 amperes or 20 milliamperes. I3 is equal to 4 milliamperes or 0.004 amperes. And I4 is equal to 16 milliamperes or 0.016 amperes na may total current na 22 milliamperes or 0.022 amperes. So that's it. Thank you.